Hi guys, welcome to Home Cooking by On. Today I'm going to show you how to stir fry Kai Lan with garlic and oyster sauce using only 4 ingredients. So let's get cooking. So we will need a bunch of Kai Lan, oyster sauce, some oil and fried garlic. Firstly, wash your Kai Lan and cut the end bit off, and now you can cut into half. Now it's time to cook the Kai Lan. So in the pot you put the water to boil and prepare a bowl of ice cold water next to it. It's gonna take only a minute, okay? So dip in the veggies and take it out straight into the ice cold water. So this will keep it green and the crunchiness of the Kai Lan. Now it's time to stir fry your Kai Lan. So a little bit of oil in, and then you put oyster sauce on top of the Kai Lan. Get ready for stir fry. It's gonna be real quick, because we already cooked the Kai Lan before. So it should take about a minute again in the oil. Now the oil is already hot, so we put the Kai Lan in, stir fry for a bit. Now it's time to plate up. Let's try this. Nice and crunchy. I can just eat this all day, One more time. Yummy. Thanks for watching Home Cooking by On, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. See ya.